he is. Fish on. Ladyfish. Big lady. Good morning, ladyfish. See ya. There he is. Oh, ladyfish on, baby. I will take it. I do not care, dude. I like catching fish. Doesn't matter if it's ladyfish, tarpon, snook, reds. I just like catching fish. See ya. Oh. There we go. Fish on. Big ladyfish. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, he got off. Trout. Good trout. Yeah, he's about 14. See you, buddy. Oh, that was a tarpon. Did you see him? Oh, he broke me off. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, that was a good one. Dang it. Hitting that white Z-man. There he is. Whoa. Big lady. Oh, he spit it. Oh!
Nice fish right there.
Dude, that was a good one. Airborne. Fish on. I think that's a big trout. Nice. See ya. Don't get him too quick, man. Don't get him too quick.
Check him out, dude. You gotta get a picture.
Nice.
Yeah, I got a grand slam, bro.
That other one was about 4 times that big. Nice. Good job, man. Oh, fish on, baby. I think I got another trout. Just Trout City. Whoa. Fish on. I think the trout moved. Trout have moved in, man.
Oh, no, it's another lady. So far, I've got like 5 species.
All right. Whoa, see you, little guy. Ah, lady. Every time I throw it out, I get hit on this paddle tail by something. Oh. Right in front of the yak. Yeah, he's like 2 feet in front of the yak. He grabbed it. Fish on. Dude, the trout have moved in here thick.
With the pliers on the hook, but the other hook's got it.
Dude, I'm wrecking the trout now. It was ladyfish and tarpon earlier. Now it's trout.
Right?
I'll take it. Thanks, little guy.
I'm not seeing the truck anymore. Good.
Trout, dude. They're just feeding around this grass, dude. Can't catch keeper, though. See ya. There we go. Fish on. Whoa, ladyfish. Lady. See ya. There it is. Whoa, ladyfish. Lady. Tearing up the ladyfish and trout. See ya. So I quit using the paddle tail. I switched over to the small Yozuri, the one that's about 2.5 inches, and got 2 ladyfish here on it. Tarpon have kind of disappeared. Ladies and trout are still around though. All right, I'm gonna throw the gold spoon for a little while here. Oh, that was a good hit. That was a good hit. Big swirl right there. Big swirl right where he hit it. Oh, just got hit again. There he is. There we go. There we go. Good fish, guys. Good fish. Big. Snook. All right. Snook in the boat. All right, little guy. Thanks for the catch. See ya. Woo! We're tearing them up, rad reelers. Having a good time this morning. That sun's up there pretty good. So I got a snook, a trout, bunch of ladyfish hooked up with tarpon. Now all I need is a red. Let's go. There it is. That's a red. That's a red. There we go. That's what I was looking for right there. Gotcha. Whoa, get back in this kayak, dude. He flipped out. That's a nice. Got me a slam, guys. The sun started cracking over the horizon at 7, and it is 8:46. I got us a slam, caught a bunch of trout, ladyfish, hooked up with tarpon. Having a great morning. Oh, he just came to life. All right, let's see if we can get another one. That was fun. That right there is the key to catching a slam. There he is. Fish on, baby. Got another one. Another red. I'm back in the right area. They absolutely love the gold spoon. Thanks, buddy. Nice. There he is. There we go. Fish on. We found the reds. Another cute little red. They call them rat reds. See ya. Yeah. All right, guys. Hey, we're doing pretty good this morning. It's probably like 9 o'clock now, but ooh, baby, got us that little red on the stringer. I love it. Yeah, his little reds are actually back in that area. They're probably all along here, but yeah, this is where I caught the keeper this morning. So hitting the gold spoon, tearing it up. That little Johnson Sprite spoon, they love it, man. There's so much weeds in the water, I keep having to take weeds off. Having a good time. Let's go. There he is. Fish on. Oh, we got another little snook. Oh, he got off. All right, nice. There he is. That's a red. That's a red. Yeah, buddy. There we go. As soon as I sat down, wham, gotcha. Oh yeah, they love that gold spoon. Heck yeah, see ya. Fish on. Lady fish on, baby. There we go. Nice big lady fish. Oh, see ya, girl. Oh, lady fish on. Lady fish on, baby. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Trout, maybe. Nice. Oh yeah, tearing them up. Nice little trout. Haven't caught a keeper trout yet today. I have caught a lot of trout though. Thanks, buddy. See ya. Just leave the camera rolling. These fish are feeding good out here. They are really feeding good. They are liking the gold spoon. There he is, fish on. Tearing them up. Just tearing them up. Friggin' ladyfish are just spastic crazy, man. And the lady, see it. I believe I could just stay out here and catch fish all day. There's so much bait and activity. The gold spoon is definitely the magic. This morning we got snook, trout, ladyfish, and reds on the gold spoon. There we go. It's every cast. Pinfish. We got pinfish also on the gold spoon. Big pinfish. Fish on. Tearing them up. Tearing them up. Guys, I'm catching fish on every cast here. Definitely. Thanks, little guy. See ya. It's almost 11 o'clock. I have not had a hit in quite a while fishing around these mangroves, but I'm definitely reminded of why I generally don't fish on the weekends. There's too many people out here. There's boats running all over the place. There's one guy in his ginu. He literally, the island over here where my buddy caught a couple redfish this morning, this gnu just full blast, like 6 to 8 feet out from the mangroves, just running all along the edge of the mangroves. Like, what? He got the whole freaking place out here to drive, you know? So anyway, yes, well, I don't like fishing on the weekends. Just too many people out here, too many boats, too much activity. But I think the problem here today is that we're on a high tide. I mean, it is so high out here. I got a feeling these fish are pushed way back up in the mangroves. So it's 11 o'clock. I think I'm gonna just start heading back. I think I'll put on a weedless paddle tail and just start trolling, which might be a problem. There's just like tons of seagrass in the water today. All day today, nothing but seagrass. But having a good time. All right, let's see if we can catch something. Oh, fish on. Fish on. little trout. No, little snook. A little snook. All right, we'll take it. Seems like it's been a couple hours since I caught a fish. We got him. Oh no. Oh no, he got it way down in there, guys. Yep, he got it way down in there. Well, I can get it. I can get that one. There we go. That wasn't too bad. Thanks, buddy. See ya. Looks like there ought to be a red right there. There ought to be one right in there. There he is. There he is. Big red. What'd I tell you? Nice red. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh, that's a good one, guys. Yeah. I saw him hit it right next to the kayak. Oh, that's a good one there. Yeah. Woo! Gold spoon. Getting the job done, baby. Man, he got it way down in there, guys. Holy smokes. He got it way down in there. There's a nice red. Woohoo! Thanks. See ya. All right. Woo! Yeah. All right. Solid red, man. Reds love little cuts like this. That's why when I casted it, I said we ought to get a red right here. And sure enough, dude, he grabbed it right in front of the kayak. Nice. Woo! What time is it, man? I got out here at like, I was on the water, it was dark. 12 o'clock, catching redfish at high noon. Nice. Every redfish I've caught today has been on this gold Johnson Sprite spoon. Woohoo! I've caught all kinds of fish on that today. All right, let's see if we got another one back in there. It's just a wee little opening. There we go. The good thing about this is that there's not a lot of weeds right in here. I might actually go back in there a little ways. See if we can pull some more out of here. Solid fish, solid fish. Oh, I need to retie, dude. I'm all frayed up. Yeah, I'm frayed up pretty good. I need to retie. Know what I was thinking. Obviously I wouldn't. I didn't even check it. It's just frayed up like a couple of inches. He sucked that thing all the way down. He had it in his gills, but I was able to go in from behind his gills and get the hook undone. I couldn't get it like straight through the mouth. I think I'm just going to ease back in here a little bit. Get back in here just a little further. There we go. What in the world have I done? A mess here on my reel. Alright, I think I got it. Dude, I'm having a heck of a time here. What am I freaking doing? I want to just ease back in here and make some more casts. See if we got another red. Yeah, perfect cast. Perfect cast. There he is. There we go. That's another one. Another good fish. Tighten my drag. Oh, that's a solid red, dude. It's a solid red. That's a solid one. Yep. 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 Ah, fighting him in between the mangroves here. Nice. Another good one, man. Ah. Whoa. Dude, that's a good one there. That's another good one. Dude, he got it way down in there too. Same, like the exact same spot as that other one. Middle of the day. There we go. Got another one, baby. Woohoo! Thanks, buddy. Yeah. That was a lot of fun fighting that redfish right in between. Like, it's 3.5, 4 feet wide right here. Nice, dude. Heck yeah. Woo! Had a great day out there fishing. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Trying to get to 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Thumbs up are appreciated. And everybody, get out there and go fishing, man. Life is fun. Live it. See ya!